Hey everyone, in this video I want to answer a question that I have from a subscriber who asked, what kind of pull shock do I use for my customers? And that's a great question. I'm actually going to answer that in this video. If you're new to my channel and you haven't checked out my other videos, I make pool care videos to help out people with their pools, and so please check those out. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. All right, so there's two types of shock that I actually use in pools that I service. One is going to be liquid and one is going to be calcium hypochlorite, which is granular chlorine. Okay, now I only use granular chlorine in pools that have automatic pool cleaners, and I use liquid chlorine in the rest of them that do not have an automatic pool cleaner. If you're looking at wanting to know which kind to use, the first thing that I would make sure is to know your calcium levels. If they're high, and they tend to run high, you're not going to want to use calcium hypochlorite because it has calcium in it, and the calcium will be raised even more if you use the granular. So I would say do not use that and stick with just liquid chlorine. Now, in my area, the calcium levels in my pools run on the lower end, so I'm always having to raise them. So that gives me the ability to use either kind. And that's what I normally do. But if you have any questions like this one, please post them in the comments, and I may make a video on it in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.